Hello everyone. Today we're going to make a digital journal, digital notebook type planner. So I'm assuming that since you're watching this video that you've already bought the template pack, but if you haven't and you want to follow along with us, then the link will be down below in the description. So the first thing you want to do is open your template pack, and this one is for Keynote, and you'll have a digital journal template for Keynote. So we want to duplicate it first. We always want to work on a copy. We want to keep our original, so if we ever do have a problem, then we can always go back to that original. So I'm just going to name that as copy. So what you'll see here is the front cover, the internal pages, and the back pages. And this is how it will open up for you. So we want to, you can delete those or you can leave them there if you want to. But the first thing we want to do is we want to go to Edit Slide Layout because we want to make it pretty. So if you just click on this top layer, then you can change the color. We're going to add an image. So then I want to click Choose here. And then I'm going to go back to my template kit and open the patterns. And then we have all of these colors that we can use. So I'm just going to click, I'm going to choose Floral 225 and insert that. Now, for this, you want to sometimes change the opacity so you can get that curved edge. You just play with the opacity down here to be able to see that curved edge in the background. And then I want to change the color of my band. So I'm just going to click on my color wheel and use my dropper and just pick a color. And that's as easy as it can be. So if you have your color selected, then you can drag this little box to your palette so you can easily recreate that. So now I'm just going to go to my next page and I'm going to click on the background here and I'm just going to tell it to image fill, and it's going to put that first image in there. And then I'm going to click on the planner band and select that color, and then I'm just going to drag with my mouse to select all of my tabs, and I'm going to choose that color again to match my planner band. So there we go, that's all done. So let's go to our back copy, and again I just want to add the image. I'm going to decrease the opacity so I can see that curved shadow edge. Select my planner band, and there we go. So that is all done. That's as easy as it is. So now what I want to do is I want to add my inner page that I chose, and then I'm just going to use PDF-Linkr to create all of my pages in Keynote. So what I'm going to do is just tell it to duplicate the Keynote slides. I'm going to select the Keynote file that I'm working on, and I'm going to tell it to duplicate slide number 2 and tell it what start date. It doesn't matter. We just want 31 pages. So I'm just going to tell it that I want it to start 2025. And I'm going to tell it to create the daily slides. And it's going to ask me to save because it's going to try to create a CSV for me. So that's okay. And then, is this the first duplication? You can either say yes or no to this because we're making an undated planner, so it doesn't matter. And we're not going to use that CSV to add the links. I know that seems a little weird, but there we go. So now we have all of our slides created. So I'm just going to delete this one because I only want 31 inner pages. And I'm working outside because it's such a beautiful day today. So you might hear my puppies barking or birds. So now I want to add a new slide, and I want my back page. And that's it. Now all we have to do is export that to a PDF. I'm going to save that as there we go. Now, well, we're all done with this in Keynote. Now we're going to move over to PDF-Linkr and add our links for all of our pages. But now all you have to do is go back to Edit Slide Layout, and all you have to do is change these 3 pages. And since your journal is already created over here in the design pane, all you have to do is change those 3 pages, export as a PDF, and you can duplicate and make as many as you want. So now what I want to do is I want to open PDF-Linkr, and I'm going to add the PDF, and this is so dead simple. I'm going to load the PDF in the viewer and go to page 2 because I want to select this area here to add my links to. And then I'm going to select my page link CSV. So I go back to my template pack and I want this tab link CSV. And now I'm just going to process the pages. And when I click that, it's going to give us a little spinning wheel because it's going through and adding all of the links. And it's finished. So now I will have an updated PDF. And now all of my links are added to my tab on all pages. And it's as simple as that. And you could create tons of these to sell or use or give away as a lead magnet. It is so simple, so super simple. So if you guys have any questions or need any other information about how to do this, remember the links are all going to be below this video. And I hope you enjoy and make lots of beautiful little notebooks.